All right, welcome to this video walkthrough. Third floor, Somerville, Cambridge, 2-bed, right near Porter Square. So this is one of the bedrooms that will be available. As you can see, they're in the middle of doing some touching up. Some of it's light work, but as you will see, a lot of it is some pretty big finishes. They're putting in pretty much a new bathroom, a little closet right here in the hallway, some shelves, drawers. This is the second bedroom right here. So good sunlight, hardwood floors throughout. Obviously they'll be cleaning up the floors or just getting it ready for the new tenants, whoever decides to move in. All right, that's the backyard. It's not really a courtyard, but it is an open space. Down the hallway, and as you can see, there's no bathroom. Just use your imagination. Obviously, the bathtub will be going right here. You can see the bathtub is already installed. So you're pretty much getting a brand new bathroom. New vanity, new toilet, some lighting. All right, and then we have the living room area. So as you can see, there's a bunch of materials that they're using to fix up the place. Kitchen appliances, that's your toilet. So modest finishes, modest appliances, gas stove. All right, they are obviously in the middle of installing these appliances, fixing up the floor. They'll be putting new floor down, sink, some cabinets. They'll be keeping those cabinets. There is laundry right next door. There isn't any downstairs in the basement, but it is literally right next door. If you have any questions, please reach out. Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. Have a good one.